In a world filled with countless dietary choices, one often overlooked superstar stands out for its incredible health benefits: the humble beet. These vibrant root vegetables are not only a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Join us on a journey as we uncover the numerous advantages of incorporating beets into your diet, exploring their impressive vitamin and mineral content. Beets, scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, come in various hues, from deep crimson to golden yellow. They have been enjoyed by cultures around the world for centuries, not only for their earthy sweetness, but also for their nutritional prowess. Let's begin our exploration of beet benefits with a closer look at the vitamins they contain. Beets are a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. Just 1 cup of raw beets provides you with 11% of your daily recommended intake of this vitamin. Beets are packed with vitamin B9, also known as folate. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, making it vital for pregnant women and overall cell health. Beets are also a good source of vitamin B6, which plays a role in brain development and function, making it a brain-boosting addition to your diet. Now let's delve into the mineral content of beets. One of the standout minerals in beets is potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, making beets a heart-healthy choice. Beets are also a fantastic source of manganese, a trace mineral that supports bone health and metabolism. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in beets, plays a role in muscle and nerve function, and it's crucial for maintaining a healthy heartbeat. Beyond vitamins and minerals, beetroot itself is often hailed as a superfood. Beetroots are incredibly rich in dietary fiber. This fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can even reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders. The pigments responsible for beets' vibrant color, betalains, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in your body. Athletes, take note: beets can give you a natural performance boost. Beets are a concentrated source of nitrates, which can improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. This can enhance endurance and potentially boost athletic performance. Beets are amazing for your overall health. Subscribe and stay tuned for more health content.